Ever wondered how to maximize profits while minimizing risks in trading? The answer might just lie in a strategy called spread trading. This powerful approach allows traders to take both bull call and bear put positions simultaneously, creating a safety net of sorts while still maintaining the potential for unlimited profits. Intriguing, isn't it? Spread trading is a method that can be employed across various indices such as Nifty, Banknifty, Midcap, Nifty, and Sensex. This strategy is typically designed using Goldmine software, a tool that helps to streamline the process. So, how exactly does spread trading work? Let's break it down into a few simple steps. First, identify the index you wish to trade in. Each day can be assigned to a different index, allowing for a diverse trading portfolio. Next, establish both a bull call and a bear put position. This might sound like walking on a tightrope, but in reality, it's about balancing potential risks and rewards. The bull call trade is taken with the expectation that the market will rise, while the bear put trade is taken with the expectation that the market will fall. Then, monitor the market closely. Remember, in spread trading, timing is everything. Knowing when to exit your positions can make the difference between a profitable trade and a loss. Finally, use Goldmine software to design your spread trades. This tool can help you to optimize your strategy, ensuring that you're making the most of each trade. To summarize, spread trading is a strategy that involves taking both bull call and bear put positions at the same time, on the same index. This approach can help to limit losses while still offering the potential for unlimited profits. It's a method that can be applied across various indices and is typically designed using Goldmine software. It's important to remember, however, that while spread trading can help to mitigate risk, it doesn't eliminate it entirely. Always approach trading with a clear mind and a solid strategy. In the dynamic world of trading, it's essential to stay adaptable, flexible, and open to new strategies. Spread trading is one such strategy that can offer a fresh perspective and a new approach to navigating the markets. So why not give it a try? You might just find that it's the strategy you've been searching for.